In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a MotiveWave template. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. You could either go to the chart button up top and then hover over template and click on manage templates, or you could go and right click anywhere on your chart where there's empty space, like for example over here. And if you right click, you can see template, and again, you can click on manage templates and it's gonna open up the same window. Now in here, you wanna go and click on this button over here, which allows you to import a chart template. So I'm just gonna click on here, and then you have to find it. Usually it's going to be a .tml file. I have one over here which is called template1, so I'm just going to click on it and click on open. Whenever you do this, you can just click on it and then click on apply, and that's going to allow you to basically apply it onto your chart. You also have this button over here which is kind of going to allow you to essentially edit your chart template. Now you can then go and hit OK, and one more way is to either right click on a chart, hover over template, and you can just go ahead and click on the templates you have over here and they are going to get applied, or you could do the same up here as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to upload a template to MotiveWave. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.